You must have seen very large creature like anaconda and more in Hollywood movies. But do you know how many feet the largest snake ever found on our earth is and where it is found now? Have you ever thought that a spider which looks just an inch long can grow up to 6 feet? And where exactly does such a large creature live? Now, such large creatures would not live in a small jungle. So where are these large and dangerous creatures found? All these are found in gigantic jungle known as the Amazon, which is often referred to as the lungs of earth. Yes, you heard it right. The Amazon forest, also known as the rainforest. The Amazon jungle is so vast and extensive that even scientists have not been able to fully understand and comprehend it. They do not know how many regions this jungle encompasses. Scientists have been researching the Amazon jungle not just recently but for several decades, and each time the researchers reveal something surprising. The Amazon jungle is so massive and vast that it has its own world, and our reach to the world is still very limited or almost negligible. Whenever a new discovery is made about this jungle, we realized how little we know about it. In this video, we will tell you something interesting and amazing facts about Amazon jungle that will make you wonder how dangerous and mysterious this jungle is. Let's first talk about the mysterious tree found in the Amazon jungle. Although millions of species of plants are found in this jungle, some trees and plants are ordinary while others are extremely poisonous. This is quite normal. How large and dangerous the jungle is, it is obvious that the plant found here would also be dangerous. But the interesting thing is that there are some trees in this jungle known as walking trees. If you are fond of watching movies, you might have seen in several films that trees and plants suddenly start walking. But do trees only walk in the movies? That is not the case. Trees do walk in reality, and it is not us but the scientists who have been researching the Amazon jungle for many years who say so. According to these scientists, there are some trees in the jungle that walk, but not like in a Hollywood sci-fi movie. Rather, their walking speed is quite slow. Scientists are researching these trees extensively. Some scientists believed that these trees move in the direction where the sun shines ahead. What actually happens is that the roots of this tree move forward in the direction of the sun, and the roots at the back keep getting destroyed. Because of these, the trees move a little forward from its original position. This process does not happen in 1 or 2 days, it takes about 3 to 4 months, and for this reason, these trees known as walking trees. These trees are extremely poisonous. According to researchers, these trees are found only in the Amazon jungle. Now let's learn about some other trees in Amazon jungle that will make you bite your fingers in amazement. Yes, according to tribes living in the Amazon jungle, there are some trees that also eat the fleshes of humans and animals. These trees are also called man-eating trees. It may sound strange that tree can eat flesh, but it is true. However, only few species of these trees are found in the Amazon jungle. This raises the question, if there can be man-eating trees in the Amazon jungle, then how many more dangerous things might be present in this jungle? Well, this is a subject of research. Now let's talk about the boiling river flowing in the Amazon jungle. The Amazon jungle is considered the most dangerous jungle in the world because it is a home to every kind of dangerous creature, plant, animals, birds and insects. So how could the water be left behind? Yes, we are talking about the boiling river in the Amazon. This river is called boiling because its water temperature always remains between 70 to 100 degrees Celsius. This river is extremely dangerous and flow through the middle of the Amazon jungle. Why the water of this river boils is still not fully understood. The Amazon rainforest is not a small forest. It spans 9 countries. Scientists have been researching this vast forest not just recently but for centuries. During their researches in the Amazon forest, a British scientist saw an animal that was half human and half monkey with a height of about 12 feet. This species is known as marico. He reported that while conducting research in the Amazon jungle, he encountered a marico species animal. Marico even tried to attack the British scientist, but the scientist fired a few shots into the ground, which scared marico a little and moved it a bit away. After this, the British scientist came out of the jungle. In this context, he mentioned that marico lives in caves and they have their own separate settlements. Now, you can understand how beautiful the Amazon jungle is, but it is far more ferocious due to the animals and birds living in it, which makes the Amazon jungle so dangerous. It is not just the plant in the Amazon jungle that are dangerous, but the animals are even more perilous. It is said that there are snakes in the Amazon jungle that are not found anywhere else on the earth. Generally, the largest snake found on the earth is anaconda. According to scientists, the maximum length of an anaconda can be up to 30 feet. But in 1969, a scientist claimed to have seen a 70 feet long snake in the Amazon channel. Having such a long snake in the Amazon jungle is a wonder in itself. The maximum length of the now extinct species of snake, Titanoboa, was measured at 42 feet, which was considered the longest snake in the world until now. However, this claim by scientists suggests that Titanoboa records seems to be ending. Additionally, some other scientists have also claimed to have seen snake as long as 70 to 75 feet in the Amazon jungle. Some scientists have even said that some of these snakes might belong to the Titanoboa species. If this is true, it means that the Titanoboa species of snakes are still alive in the Amazon jungle. Research is still going on about this, but it is certain that the longest snake on the earth live in the Amazon jungle, whether it is the anaconda or Titanoboa. This was about the snakes, but snakes are not the only dangerous creature in the Amazon jungle. Even the smallest ants can be extremely ferocious. These ants could be so ferocious because they need to protect themselves from the large creatures. However, you might never have thought that such a small ant could be so dangerous. If the ants found in the Amazon jungle bite a person, it causes as much as pain as bullet. This is why they are called bullet ants. If a person gets bitten by these ants in the Amazon jungle, they have to endure excruciating pain for 5 to 6 days. And not only this, some of these ants are so poisonous that their bites can even cause human death. This was about the creatures living in the Amazon jungle. Now we will tell you about the creatures that will make you shudder. You must have seen spider in your homes. They seem very small and quite ordinary. If they bite, it does not have much of an effect. Everyone knows about such spiders, but did you know that a 6-foot long spider has been seen in the Amazon jungle? According to these tribes living in the Amazon jungle, 6-foot long spiders are found there. These spiders are so dangerous that they even kill their own offsprings. Beside the tribes, some scientists have also claimed to have seen such large spider. How true this is about such large spider in the Amazon jungle is still not certain, but finding such dangerous creature in such a large and perilous jungle is not a big deal because it is a place where human reach is very limited. Finding such life in such a large and dangerous Amazon jungle is understandable, but there is another claim about the Amazon jungle. It is said that the Amazon jungle might be a base for aliens, and there have been talks about UFO sighting there. The Amazon jungle is so dense and vast that it could be a good place for creatures from other planets. However, if this is true, it is not good news for Earthlings. But this cannot be said with certainty yet because no explorer has seen any such objects there. However, research is still going on about all this. The Amazon jungle is so large that it produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen. Yet, we humans still know very little about this jungle. However, research has accelerated in recent decades. It will be interesting to see what other secrets emerge from the Amazon jungle that we are still far from discovering. Appreciate you sticking around until the end. If you find this video entertaining, give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.